Another beautiful Wednesday, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So what we're going to do today is we're going to work on the go-kart. So I got my AGK curved manifold. I was hoping it was going to go this way, but it's not. Actually goes that way. We're putting the Makuni on, switching up gas cutoff, so I actually have a cutoff on the gas, and I may install the tach today. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright, everything's hooked up, everything's running. I could probably do this crankcase vent into this intake. It's for like a pulse pump, but until I get the gas can that actually goes here, I'm not going to worry about that. Probably just leave it blocked off. Got the gas going. Gas cut off. Got my wire wrapped around. Figure out somewhere to mount this bad boy. That's the clearance I don't like. That's like quarter inch, man. That's really bad. For the most part, everything's hooked up and good. Really wish this tube went this way. Like, that's what I wanted. This whole assembly, we turn around and go this way. I can't find them online. If you guys know where I can get them, send me a link. There she is, running and doing her thing. Just a quick video about everything. Alright guys, if you like the video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Later.